Oh my god, I hate my life. What is up, guys? Andy here, back again, once again. What did I do to myself at the last day of the week when I was $300 away from, uh, you know, having the balance that I needed to take a max payout, and then I need another day to take money out? I went ahead and hit the daily loss limit. Yeah, nothing else to really explain here. Um, First trade that I took, I bought at the sell, didn't wait for the candle to close, bought early. We dumped another 37 points. And as soon as I got out of the trade, we go down 4 more points before ripping back up again, 100 points plus. That was my first trade. If I hadn't done that, then I would have been up an insane amount of money. Then what do? I went and bought right here instead of selling. Could have just sold here at 602 and 37. That's 740 points. So I would have been up $200 if I had just done that. Or I would have been break even if I had just, sold where I sold and then bought instead of buying and then selling. Those are two trades that I took on that. There. So ended up with a negative $1,200 balance. I don't know why I do it to myself, really. Okay, now Top Step. Top Step, I made money, $250 on one of the accounts, and then $300-ish. I had a $250 or $200 daily target because that's just the minimum you need to take a payout. But I ended up filling at $250 and $300 on some because it was so volatile. I took a break and retest of London highs here. London highs. We broke, and then I took a break and retest, and I made money. So yeah, I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. I'm just fucking stupid. I think I'm just gonna end up not trading the first 30 minutes of open because every time I lose, it's within the first 30 minutes of open. So if I just avoid that, then I should be fine. There's so many other opportunities. If I come in at 7, I would have been here, and I could have just waited a little bit, and then I could have played this continuation play, or I could have, just waited for a 20-minute EMA test and then insane boom boom, or I could have, played the same break and retest. I could have played VWAP retest. So, yeah. So that was pretty much it. Story of my life. It's happened to me once before, and it's happened again because I haven't changed. And nothing else to say. Just not going to trade the first 30 minutes. That's the change that I'm making. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Don't be me. All right. If you're doing the same thing over and over again and it's not working for you, it's not going to automatically start working for you, randomly. So unless you break those bad habits, and my bad habit is just fucking chasing plays. It wasn't a bad chase to play, but if I hadn't paper handed an extra $60, I would have, made money. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys all on Monday with a live stream. And yeah, take care. And yeah, bye.